We're only going to take this up because it's so busy, but I wanted to show you something really unique about this elevator. This is at
What elevator is this?
And Midstate.
And where are we?
Poughkeepsie Galleria. Poughkeepsie.
Which way is gravity facing today?
Up. There's something really cool that I never noticed about this elevator.
All right.
516 posts.
Awesome.
How many posts do you?
Over 300 on my Instagram.
I don't know. I haven't looked.
Innovation decorator button.
Oh my god, it's your dress, isn't it? Wow, that's so pretty.
Awesome sauce.
Let me see.
All right, here it is. Let's let the people off first. All right, I guarantee
Wait
there's
a
people in
couple
it.
seconds. Let them up. There's nobody else.
Nobody?
But we
Look at
are
this.
Also, hold on a second. We are going to share the elevator with
I have
a
the door
very
open
pretty
button.
young lady in a stroller.
Look at this. There's no lights in this elevator. This elevator doesn't have lights.
All right.
That's really cool.
And we're all going to the same place. The second floor.
Yeah.
Well, that's cool. I didn't think they'd be able to get away with not having lights just for regulatory reasons.
Yeah. That's really cool, though.
You don't need it.
You just don't need them, so they never put them in.
You got a video of the top?
Yep, I did.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Put it in there.
There's your buttons. Just gotta press the one button to it up. Phone, and that's it. So yeah, an elevator with no lights installed.